So today we will help you to set it up Yahoo financing. Before you go to Google Play, install Yahoo financing and click on Yahoo financing, and you click the bell. You see all information happen here. You click onto the bell. You click onto the bell. So the bell, that's the bell. And if you want to set it up, you go to this three line here on the top here. You click into that. Then you go to notification. You go to the notification here. Okay. You click the notification, and you will see a button of set up high, low price, unresolved. It's up to you that to select what you want from here. You can toggle them on off like that if you want. And here I want everything, so I just select them all. I hope it will help you. And if you have this set up properly with the bell, you can go to Yahoo Financing on the website. You just click the bell, you will see the same thing like this too. So I hope you have. So if you like it, please thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.